What's up, y'all? It's Icon Dave here. Another day of my birthday week. Still tired. I just woke up and it's 1:22. See that? 1:22. Yikes. So, I don't know what I'm doing today, actually. Maybe go play basketball with my friends. We'll see. I'm gonna see if they want to play basketball. I'm gonna help my mom fix the house a little bit because yesterday was bad. It was pretty bad. And yeah. So I'm gonna be probably doing the chores in a minute. And yeah. And by the way, guys, thank you for all of the happy birthdays and everything. Thank you guys for saying that these happy birthdays. Some of you. I'm watching on you. I'm watching. I'm gonna be when I see you. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. But guys, by the way, I have a new clothing line coming out. Blacklisted Icons. Putting that out. Everyone's an icon, just know that. So yeah, hope you guys tune into that. I'm about to take it out. New video coming out tomorrow, and you all are gonna see my whole day. See y'all. We're gonna put some music. First of all, we're gonna put some music.
Tú no estabas de acuerdo para nada en lo del reinado. Y de un momento a otro cambias de opinión, porque es que yo soy adivina, se supone que lo sepas.
That's annoying. Oh shit. I don't know if I could. Let's see. Lit. Oh my god, yes. Okay. I'm gonna put some music, guys. Damn, where's my cord? Oh, here it is. Awesome. This is our system. Well, one of our systems. My feet are holding this camera, Jesus, and it hurts. What kind of song should I put? What music should I put? No. Let's do this one. By Russ. I'm gonna do, it's make out jams. Don't judge me. No, let's do something else. I don't care about an argument, let's do, I know what it is, Wait a minute. Here we go. This is the song. Dubai, grip on my Dubai. Got a wobbly wobbly wop. You got a wobbly wobbly wop. Dubai grip on my Dubai shit. In mashallah, marshmallows on the wrist. Blue Gotti on the strip on site, bitch get in. Billionaire club, got some $1 billion friends. They sticky, I be chicken. Mathematics, 6'9", from the bitch, throw it ass backwards. Little pump to your left like athletics. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. Well, alright. I'll show y'all later. Shit crazy. I forgot to say good morning to my parents, my mom. Where are you?
is she? Hi, Emma. These are my dogs. Hi, Emma. Oh, shoot. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Good morning. Even though it's like 1. Oh, there she is.
But I'm too busy. Got a million on the schedule. You just put a 20 in shit, I'm on level 2. Fucking up the game, ain't shit is getting.
Good morning, mommy.
Good morning. How are you?
Bien.
¿Estás hablando con esta pizza tan linda? Hey guys.
Hella hate, battery pack, boy, you hella fake. All this take is time to celebrate.
Tell them wait.
I gotta check my schedule. All I do is work, nigga. You can check my resume.
Toodles. Please. Please. I want to take it. Okay, let's go. We in Costco right now. Come on. Come on. Wait, where's my keys? I didn't know my homeboy worked here. I didn't know Christian worked here. He's the homie. I'll tag his Instagram right down below. Let's go. The heart, the missile. I praise the Lord and break the law. What? Look at my car, guys. Oh my god. It's still sexy as ever. Shoot. Look at that. Let's go. The heart, the missile. I wonder if they will let me put it in. I'm gonna wait. Hold up. It's Christian. It's Christian. Huh? I'm not gonna record you.
So you should take off the tripod.
I'm not gonna record you. I promise. I promise I won't record you. You're just embarrassed. It's okay. But there's the boy. Huh? Let's go! Oh, that's a nice car.
Huh?
That's a nice car. Look. That's a nice car.
Yeah.
It's handicapped, so it's probably an old person. Thanks. Yup. Christian! What's up, bro? What's up? It's been hella long, bro.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope.
You're gonna be in the vlog. See y'all, guys. But yeah. So I guess we can't record us eating anymore because she doesn't want to. She don't want to get recorded while eating. So this is her fault. This is all her fault.
Probably.
So yeah, I guess we're gonna put the camera back into my car and I guess eat without the camera. No fun. Oh, look at that, guys.
Your brother.
That's my daddy. That's my daddy, guys. Damn. And then this is me. Sexy as hell. You already know. See y'all.
Have fun.
So, can I bring it?
You know what, David? You're a grown-ass man. I'm not gonna voice my opinion any further. Do you, boo-boo?
Wow. See what I have to do. I'm gonna take it. I'm taking it. Should I bring my coffee? If I should. I'm gonna bring it. It's not that long. Oh shoot. favorite rocket ship. The sky, little Einsteins, ready to explore. Wait, does it go like that?
No, you're singing all the lyrics. Look, it's like going on a ship, and our favorite rocket ship going through the sky. Oh.
Little Einsteins. Alright guys, we're in the Fairfield Mall. Trash ass mall, just by the way.
Los maleantes quieren crepe, 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 crepe. Todas las baby quieren kush, kush, kush.
Is that a... I think I just saw a bird. Look. There's a bird right there. What? That's so cool. That's really cool. I don't know if I caught it, but I hope I did. It's funny how everyone just looks. Drake.
I don't care.
I would only go to Drake.
So yeah, tag me in your video.
I got you. I got you. This is Rosie. Rosie.
Add me on Snapchat. You know, follow me on Instagram.
I got you.
Shorty Art Tattoo.
You guys heard it. This is Rosie, one of my really old friends.
Yeah, I met
2
his
years.
mom already.
2 years ago. 2 years ago. Right? It's been 2 years, right? Damn. Alright. We'll see you.
See ya. Have fun.
Right? Everyone's looking at me. I saw a bird just walk by here. I was just like, I recorded it too, so I'm gonna be posting the video maybe tomorrow or in 2 days. We'll see. See ya. Alright guys, that was Rosie. She's really cool. She works at Claire's, so get it. I remember my friend worked at Old Navy, but I'm not too sure, but either way, I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick.
My sexy love. Say you love me, but you never left for me. Yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see it? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down. 'Cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew.
Yo. But what's y'all tag? What's y'all tag? you guys know? You're in Turbs? I got
What's your channel though?
Icon Dave. It's just cars, vlogging, daily stuff. Daily life, basically. Just restarting.
Collab when I'm out.
You do it?
Yeah, but I haven't done it right now yet.
Just starting.
Icon Dave?
Yeah. I've gotten so much people. It's Icon Dave Official. Look at my Instagram. There you go. Go on my Instagram and you'll see. No. On my Instagram, dude.
What kind of camera is that one?
It's an Icon. You got it? Yep, there it is. Just follow me, I'll tag you.
Oh, shit.
Icon Dave Official.
I'm
Take off the E. Take off the E.
Wait, right here?
The E, yeah, take it.
I was all up on that social media hype not too long ago,
Hey,
and then at
push
like
out. 6,000?
almost, at like 7K, I got deleted.
Oh, what?
Why?
I smoked hella pot on my IG.
I feel you.
Yeah, my name's still
For
there.
sure, bro.
Okay. I would shake your hand, but I got two things
No,
on.
no worries, bro.
That's mine, bro. Definitely follow. We should collab, bro.
See?
We should definitely
Got
collab.
you. I got you. See you, man. Have a great day. Met new people. Pretty cool. I like them. So, hold on. I need a... Alright, let's go. So... Yeah, I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick, so... Where's the restroom? Where's the restroom? You're usually gonna come here. Anyway. I'm gonna be posting tonight, everything, today. I'm gonna be posting it, so just tune in, guys. I'm gonna probably stop the vlog right now. I'll probably stop the vlog in a minute. I'm just gonna go to the restroom real quick. Alright? See ya. What's up, guys? I'm back again. I had a great day today. My birthday also. Best birthday week, honestly. I loved it. I loved it. Please, guys, like and subscribe on my channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot more. Actually, today, I'm gonna be vlogging also. So, tune in, guys. Tune in. Thank you guys for all the happy birthdays. Honestly, thank you guys. See y'all, guys.
Los maleantes quieren creepy, 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 creepy. Todas las baby quieren kush, 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 kush. Los gangsta quieren creepy, 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 creepy. Todas las baby quieren kush, 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 kush. Los maleantes quieren creepy, 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 creepy. Todas las baby quieren kush, 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 kush. Los gangsta quieren creepy, 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 creepy. Todas las baby quieren kush.
Girl, I'm on the rise, ain't no one surprised. I know what you came for, ain't no need to lie. Money looking right, that's the shit I like. I just bought a crib, didn't have to check the price. Tell your promoter that I'm sorry if I show